Hello dear students. Now we will take up the another phylum Hemichordata. Basically the basic meaning of the Hemichordata means half chordata, and they have got half characteristics. Those are related to the chordatas. They are also known as prechordata. For example, balanoglossus. Balanoglossus is also known as tongue worm. Scondylosis is also related to the hemichordates. But with the help of the balanoglossus or the tongue worm, we will discuss the basic characteristics of the phylum Hemichordata. So balanoglossus is also known as tongue worm. It look as like a worm, and they are found in the U-shaped burrows. Remember it is important. Their body is just like U-shaped. Look there. Their body is made up of three types of segments, or indirectly we can say that their body is divided into three types of segments. They are known as proboscis, collar, and trunk. Proboscis is the upper part. This one. Collar is middle one, and trunk part is related to this one. This whole part is related to the tongue. At last part of the tongue is related to the anus, which play a very important role to remove the waste material. Now question is that rise why the balanoglossus is related to the hemichordata. Which types of half characteristics are related to the chordates? Basically the collar part which is related to the balanoglossus have stomochord. And what is stomochord? Basically stomochord is a outgrowth of buccal cavity, which is a part of collar, and scientists believe that there is a little bit notochord like structure is present in their collar. So that's why the balanoglossus is a part of hemichordata. It means half types of chordate structures are present in it in the presence of the little bit notochord. So they have not in types of tail like structure. They all are unisexual. Development is indirect. It means larva stage is also there. And the very important thing which is related to the balanoglossus, it is a connective link between the two types of phylums. These phylums are echinodermates and chordates. So balanoglossus play a very important role to act as like a connecting link between the echinodermates and chordates. And the most important thing again, both are echinodermates and chordates are they both are deuterostomes. It means in the case of blastopore, in embryonic development, the blastopore further convert into or change into the anus part. So these are the basic characteristics which are related to the phylum Hemichordata with the help of example balanoglossus. In next video we will discuss the phylum Chordata.